I use GIS every day at work. It's what I do. I even get to coordinate and supervise it. For disaster management and response. You've actually caught me today on a day where I'm supporting a disaster management recovery, more of a recovery than a response, in coordination with the state of California. I happen to live in California, and I'm working with some folks here at the California Office of Emergency Services at their EOC, which I'll give you a chance to see in a second. So, the sun's in my screen, but you can see the building behind me.
Yeah, you look good.
And you probably see the flags right there. The American flag of the state of California and the flag for the agency. So, I think this morning when we covered it, I introduced myself and a little bit about myself and where am I from. I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York. I know you're a teacher from college. I went to Florida State University. I lived in Tallahassee for some time, and I lived in Atlanta. Other than that, any questions so far based on anything I've said? If you do have a question, raise your hand, and if you are going to speak, stand up and say your name so I know who I'm talking to and who I'm responding to. Anybody have any questions?
Go ahead, class. Anyone? Don't be shy.
Don't be shy, guys. Come on, guys.
Bart, go ahead.
All right, well, let me jump start it with this. So can anyone give me an example of what a disaster is, or what a hazard is that we face here in the United States?
Stand up and say it.
Stand up.
I saw a hand go up to my right, yeah.
There you go. Say your name.
Ishmael. There's terrorism.
Ishmael, okay.
Terrorism.
Terrorism is something that we actually do plan for. It's one of the man-made disasters that can occur. When I was in high school, my senior year of high school, at the edge of Brooklyn, right across the bridge, I witnessed 9/11 firsthand. So terrorism is one of the things that we prepare for, we plan for, we respond to, and we recover from and mitigate against. Any others? I saw another hand in the back behind.
Stand up.
Yeah.
There you go. Stand up.
Say your name.
My name is Byron. What about earthquakes?
Earthquakes. That's a good one. Yes. The state of California has incredibly high earthquake risk. It's something that we plan for a lot. The last time I was at this building that I'm at now, it's because we were doing an earthquake exercise where we simulated our response as if an earthquake had happened in Southern California. So earthquake, any others?
My name is Denise, and I say tornadoes.
Okay, tell me your name one more time.
You can look in the camera.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna try this. You said your name is.
Denise.
Say it real loud to me. Janine. Oh, okay.
Janice. Girl, say your name, girl.
Denise.
Janine, tornadoes are a big thing. Back in 2006, I want to say, you had the Christmas Day tornadoes, the Groundhog Day tornadoes in your very state of Florida. I don't care what anybody ever tells you. I'm going to tell you right now, there's no such thing as tornado season. Anytime you have cold air that can meet hot air, you can have a tornado. If the conditions are right, you can have a tornado at any point in time of the year. Some other things are seasonal. Does anybody know of a hazard that's seasonal?
I'm Jamal. Hurricanes?
Hurricanes are seasonal. Does anybody know the beginning of hurricane season?
Say it again.
He asked you for the beginning of hurricane season.
I think between